Hey there. So just a quick look at these plastic carabiners that I got from Aliexpress. So you see it comes in just a basic bubble bag. So I got it in black color. So you can see the quality of it is pretty good. It's got a weight capacity of 80 kilos. I don't think I'll reach that. You're not going to be using it for climbing anyway. I'm just going to be really just using it just for attaching to my bags or stroller, or just those basic day-to-day things. So let's take a close look at that. So the quality of it looks pretty good. There's no sharp edges or anything to get caught on. Good, nice springy action there. Quite strong as well. You're not going to accidentally open it. Another neat little thing is, you can see here that this thing there, when it opens, it actually locks in. So when you pull it, it actually holds it together. So I can see how it can hold a lot of weight. So yeah, good to hold any like shopping or anything off your bags. And I got 5 of them in a pack. I got it for around $5 from Amazon. And just to give you some quick numbers, so the length of it is saying 8.5 centimeters. It's this way, it's 5.6 centimeters wide, and here it's about 0.7 centimeters wide. So quite thin, very light, and very strong. It's nice to put on your bag, and because it's black, it's not going to show up or look too obvious. Nice and very handy to have.